What if the law could be your sword and your shield? An orphan, left with nothing but a name, discovers that their wealthy relatives are about to inherit everything. But instead of giving up, they start digging, not for gold, but for loopholes. In a world where power is written in legalese, they decide to fight back, with the very system that tried to forget them. The orphan's parents died under mysterious circumstances, leaving behind a fortune and a will that conveniently vanished. The family claimed everything, citing bloodlines and tradition. But the orphan knew something was off. They began researching inheritance laws, digging through public records, and even learning Latin to read ancient legal texts. What they found? A clause buried in a 19th century statute that could change the game entirely. The loophole was obscure but real. If a will is suspected to be destroyed or hidden by a beneficiary, the entire inheritance can be frozen pending investigation. The orphan needed proof, but not just any proof. They had to show motive, opportunity, and a pattern of deception. So they started watching, recording, and collecting. Every lie, every slip-up, every contradiction became a weapon in their silent war. One relative, an uncle with a gambling problem, became the weak link. He bragged at a poker game about how the will was taken care of. The orphan, disguised and listening nearby, recorded everything. That audio clip, paired with a notarized letter from a former housekeeper who saw the will last, was enough to file a motion. The court date was set. The family had no idea what was coming. In court, the orphan stood alone. No lawyer, just facts. They presented the audio, the letter, and the legal clause. The judge listened, intrigued. The family's lawyer scoffed, but the evidence was undeniable. The judge ordered a full investigation and froze the estate. The family's smug expressions melted into panic. For the first time, the orphan wasn't invisible. They were a force to be reckoned with. The investigation uncovered more than expected: forged signatures, missing pages, and a history of manipulation. The court ruled in favor of the orphan, awarding them full control of the estate. But they didn't keep it all. Instead, they set up a foundation for other orphans, ensuring no one else would be silenced by wealth and power. Justice wasn't just served, it was transformed into a legacy. This wasn't just about money. It was about reclaiming a voice, a name, a place in the world. The orphan didn't just win a legal battle, they rewrote their story. In a system designed to favor the powerful, they proved that knowledge is power and determination is unstoppable. Sometimes the best revenge isn't revenge at all. It's justice, served cold and by the book.